Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start unit number 3, the poem on the water. Okay, the poem on the water. First, I'll recite the poem and then I'll tell you the summary. Okay, see, it is a very simple poem. Only 5 stanzas are there. In our little boat to glide on the water blue and white. While the sky is smooth and bright, what could give us more delight? See the reapers how they run, twinkling brightly in the sun. While reflected we can see shadows of each hill and tree. See the lilies round and large floating near the reedy marge, where the bulrush has its place and the heavy water mills. See the great green dragonfly and the swallow skimming by. See the fishes spring and gleam ere they splash into the stream. See the bright kingfisher too dart a gleam of green and blue. These are all around our boat on the water whilst we float. Okay, so this is the poem on the water. Now, what is poet is doing? The poet is taking a ride in his little boat on the blue waters of the stream. Okay, see the picture. This is the picture. See this picture? Yes, he is taking a ride by the boat. Okay, on the blue stream. Okay, now the summary of the poem is the poem Water on Water describes the wonders of nature. Obviously, so wonders of nature, beauty of nature is described in the poem on the water. Okay, how the wonders of nature one gets to see while boating. Well, the poet is doing boating, so which kind of experience he got? He's sharing his experience. The poet is trying to tell us that we should take some time out of our busy schedule. Okay, our busy, we should take some time out of our busy schedule and enjoy the wonders of nature. Okay. He wants to appreciate the blue water, the clear skies, which make things bright, lovely, and lively. So he's appreciating the blue water, the clear sky. He's appreciating the beauty of the nature. Okay. And which is very, the nature means the water, whatever the trees, greenery, the clear sky, it is making the things lively, brightly. Okay, so the poet tells us to appreciate how the water twinkles in the sun. When the sun rays are there on the come towards the water, it is twinkling in the sun, and the reflection of the hills and trees of the stream, which makes it look like a beautiful painting. So whatever the reflections seen in the water, it is like a beautiful painting, trees, hills, mountains, whatever there. So it is look like a beautiful painting. Further, the poet tells us to enjoy the flora and fauna. You know the flora and fauna. While taking a short trip in the boat. The poet is saying you should enjoy the flora and fauna while you are taking a short trip in the boat. Okay, so this is about the on the water. See the bright kingfisher. Kingfisher is there. That gleam of green and blue. These are all around our boat on the water while we float. Okay. Fishes are there. Okay. Dragonflies are there. So enjoy the beauties. See the lilies, flower, lily flower. They are round and large, floating near the reedy march. Reedy march means water's edge. नदी के किनारे water edge रहता है ना, where reeds or tall grasses grow thick. That is the reedy march. वहाँ पे क्या है, लिली भी है, floating near the reedy march, where the bulrush has its place and heavy water maze. Bulrush water maze means wetland grass-like plants. Okay, it is like a grass-like plants. Okay, that is the bulrush water maze. Okay, and see some meaning of the poem is explained here. See, reedy march means what? You can underline, you can write reedy march. Water's edge where weeds or tall grasses grow very thickly. That is the place. Okay. Bulrush, water maze means wetland grass-like plants. All the land is wet and grass-like plants are there. Ir means before. Ir means pehle, before. Ir. That means move suddenly or rapidly. Move suddenly or rapidly. Whilst means while. Whilst. WHILST. Whilst means while. Glide. To move softly and smoothly. Glide. GLID. Glide means to move softly and smoothly. Next word is delight. Joy or pleasure. That is the delight. Joy or pleasure. Ripples. Ripples means what? Here, ripples means a movement in the surface of a liquid. Liquid के surface में जो movement होता है उसको ripples कहते हैं. Ripples. Twinkle. Twinkle means to shine. Swallow. Small migratory bird. Swallow means small migratory bird. Skimming. Skimming means to glide past near the surface. Pass near the surface. So a small migratory bird. Skimming means to glide past near the surface. And gleam means what? To shine or to glitter. Gleam. GLEAM. Gleam means to shine or to glitter. Chamakna. Okay. Kingfisher. A small bird with a large head and bright colorful feathers. Kingfisher bird, you know that. Stream. STREAM. Stream is a small river where the water keeps on moving. Small छोटी सी नदी जहाँ water बहते रहता है. Okay, that is the stream. ओड़ा. In Marathi we call oda. STREAM, stream. Okay. Flowing water, moving water is there. A small river where the water keeps on moving. Okay. That is the strip. Okay. So this is about the poem. Once again, I'll read. Okay, you have to pronounce properly each and every word. It is very important. See, I'll recite the poem. I'll read the poem once again for you. You have to listen it carefully. In our little boat to glide on the water blue and white. While the sky is smooth and bright, what could give us more delight? See the ripples, how they run, twinkling brightly in the sun. While reflected, we can see shadows of each hill and tree. See the lilies, round and large, floating near the reedy marge, where the bulrush has its place and the heavy water maze. See the great green dragonfly and the swallow skimming by. See the fishes spring and gleam ere they splash into the stream. See the bright kingfisher too, dart a gleam of green and blue. These are all around our boat on the water whilst we float. Okay, so this is about the poem. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to recite the poem. Tomorrow we'll do the question answers of this poem. What is your homework? You have to recite the poem on the water. Recite the poem on the water. Okay. So this is about the poem on the water. We'll write tomorrow. It's question answers, hard words. Okay. Yes, we'll stop here. Okay, bye.